Hi, my learners. Welcome back to my channel. I'm happy you're here. Today we talk about daily English. Not once a week. Not only on weekends. Every day. Language is like a plant. Water it daily, it grows strong. Water it sometimes, it stays weak. Many learners think they need hours. They say, I'm busy. I have no time. Here's the truth. You don't need hours. You need minutes. Small steps. Done daily. Big change. You can do this. Start small. Start simple. Start today. In this lesson, I'll give you a clear plan. Morning practice to wake your brain. Micro moments through the day. 1 minute of speaking every day. A mix of skills to stay balanced. Fun tasks to keep you coming back. A quick review at night to lock it in. So, how can you practice English every day? I'll show you now. Step by step. Simple. Friendly. Clear. Step 1. Morning English. Start your day with English. Morning is fresh. Your mind is clear. One small drop of English in the morning sets the tone for the whole day. Now many learners ask me, do I need to study for 1 hour in the morning? No, my friend. You don't need 1 hour. You don't even need 30 minutes. 5 minutes is enough. Don't begin with heavy grammar. That kills your mood. Start light. Start simple. Read 1 short line. Listen to 1 minute of audio. Repeat 1 sentence aloud. That's all. Let me give you an example. My student Ravi listened to 1 English song while brushing his teeth. Just 3 minutes. Every morning. After 3 months, he noticed something new. His tongue moved faster. His brain felt sharper. His mornings felt alive. So my question to you is, what is 1 small English habit you can add to your morning? Step 2. Micro practice. Many learners wait for free time. But let's be honest, free time rarely comes. Life is busy. The trick is micro practice. Tiny practice. In small gaps. Now you may ask, how small can practice be? Very small. Waiting for the bus? Whisper 1 sentence. Cooking dinner? Describe your action. I am cutting onions. I am boiling rice. Stuck in traffic? Repeat a new word 5 times. Amira, one of my students, was a full-time worker. No time for long classes, but she used micro practice every single day. 5 minutes here, 3 minutes there. After 6 months, she shocked her colleagues with her fluency. She laughed and said, I learned English while waiting for the elevator. So tell me, can you find 3 minutes today for micro practice? Step 3. Speak daily. English is a speaking skill. Reading alone will not make you fluent. Listening alone will not make you fluent. You must open your mouth. Every day. You might say, but who will I talk to? I live alone. Good question. The answer is, you talk to yourself. Talk to the mirror. Talk to your phone. Even 1 minute counts. But 1 minute done daily builds power. My student Hina started this way. Every night she stood in front of her mirror for just 60 seconds. She asked herself, "How was my day? What did I do?" At first she felt shy, but after 1 month her voice was clearer. After 3 months she was confident. So my polite suggestion to you, tonight, try 1 minute in front of the mirror. Will you give it a try? Step 4. Mix skills. Many learners focus on one skill only. Some only read, some only listen, some only write. But English is a family. Each skill helps the other. Maybe you're thinking, so, how do I mix skills? It's simple. Listen to a podcast, then repeat one line. Read a short story, then explain it aloud in your own words. Write a diary, then read it back to yourself. Diego, my student, used this method. He didn't just read. He didn't just speak. He mixed everything. Slowly, his skills grew together. He told me, when I practice one skill, the others grow too. So let me ask you, what's your favorite skill? Reading, listening, or speaking? And how can you mix it with another one today? Step 5. Make it fun. If practice feels heavy, you will stop. If it feels fun, you will continue. Fun is fuel. You may ask, "Teacher, what is fun learning?" Fun learning is personal. It depends on you. Forget boring textbooks. Choose what you love. Watch a show. Listen to music. Read about your hobby. Play word games. Laugh while you learn. Aisha, my student, loved cooking. She watched English recipe videos every evening. She learned food words. She learned sentences. She learned flavors. After 1 year, she was fluent in recipes and in English. Fun kept her moving. So what about you? What do you enjoy? Sports? Music? Movies? Use that. Fun is the best teacher. Step 6. End with review. Before bed, review your day. Just 1 minute. Ask yourself, what new word did I learn? What sentence did I say? What mistake can I fix? Maybe you're wondering, is 1 minute really useful? Yes. 1 minute of review is powerful. Review makes learning stronger. It locks the lesson in memory. Without review, learning slips away. Omar, one of my students, kept a small notebook. Every night he wrote 3 things. 1 new word, 1 sentence, 1 success. After 6 months, his notebook was full. But more importantly, his confidence was full. So, my last question for you today is, tonight, before bed, will you give 1 minute to review? So there it is. Morning English, micro practice, daily speaking, mixed skills, fun learning, quick review, not heavy, not boring, just small, simple steps. Steps you can repeat. Steps that build a habit. Remember, fluency is not built in 1 day, but it is built every day. Practice daily, grow daily, speak daily. One day you will surprise yourself and the world with your English.